In the last video, we set it up so we could send messages from the client to all other clients in the chat. So this only worked for the actual clients though that were connected and not the server. So when a client sent a message, the server could not see it. So we want to change that so the server can see it. And currently the server cannot send any messages either. So we're going to set both of those up here in a little bit. So let's get started. So let's see. We want to first make it show up for the server host. The host of the lobby. So we can make another event dedicated to that. I want to actually just copy and paste to keep the names pretty much identical. I change it to F, host chat received, and F on host chat received. And make another blueprint assignable, just like so. But on host chat received, it's going to fire pretty much right when send chat to lobby gets called. So we're going to do on host chat received dot broadcast. We're going to broadcast chat message. Now I'm going to go ahead and close Unreal Engine because I made the event. But I'm going to go ahead and compile. And then once we get back into the back into Unreal Engine, we're going to bind this event up to the host beacon, and hopefully he should be able to see the chat message that others are sending. And then we will go on to allowing the host to actually send the chat messages. Right. So let's go to where we bind the event right here. So I'm going to disconnect that, set main menu widget over, and bind another event. So let's do on host chat received. We're going to bind an event to that. It's going to be custom on host chat received. We're going to essentially do the exact same thing. So literally that. And then relink our setup for the main menu. And let's give it a test. We can probably make it actually use the same event since they're identical, but I'm not very good when it comes down to blueprints, so I'm not entirely sure how to go about doing that, but it's not too big of a deal. So let's just send a message on the client, and we have it now on the server as well. So currently, I try to send it on the server, nothing happens. I can send whatever I want on the client, and it goes to the server as well. So that is one thing fixed. Now we need to go from the server and send messages to the client. So in our send chat message function that we made, we have a branch here. So false is for the client, true is for the server. We're going to pretty much set us up to call a custom function on this our host object here. Gonna do it, it's just right here actually. It's gonna be blueprint callable. It's gonna be called, well, let's keep the name the same. We use send chat message. And I'm gonna copy the parameters just to constant f text. Actually, we can simply make that blueprint callable and that'll handle it for us. Never mind, because we already set that up for that. So we're simply going to call send chat to lobby and compile. But we're making it blueprint callable. I'm going to go ahead and close the editor and relaunch it just in case this doesn't show up for me, because it has a tendency to do that for me. It's kind of annoying. All right, let's relaunch the editor and we will set that up. So we need to get access to the host beacon. So I do not actually have a simple way to access it at the moment other than through here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it, create a custom variable. Let's call this one host beacon. We're going to do it's a Nazi zombie beacon host object. It's going to be a reference and simply set it. So we have the host beacon. I did not mean to move it down. Oh well. Now in send chat message, we're going to get the host beacon, do a valid check. If it is valid, we're going to do, what was it, send chat to lobby. And what we send is chat message. So let's give it a try with 3 clients and try going between all of them. All right. Cooperative host game, connect and connect. All right, so we're on the host right now. Message from the host. Got that on that client and that client. So this one's going to be message from a client 1. Oops. Message from a client 1, message from a client 1. We're going to do message from the last client. As you can see, it is working as intended. Should be able to scroll. We're just going to keep filling up. And I think that's just an issue with the, yeah, because it keeps going. And it scrolls way down. So that's an issue with the scroll box. So we're going to have to fix that. But we do actually have our chat system working. It's going between all the clients. It's going between the host and everything as well. So I'd say we're in a very good spot. We're just going to have to obviously fix that little issue. That kind of explains what this excess is down here, which I'm not sure why it's even there, but it's not too big of a deal. We'll just fix it. So now that our chat system is up and working, we'll just kind of clean it up a bit, which we will do in the next one. So I'll see you there.